So, what now, Sarge?
We just put the final piece of the weapon in their goddamn hands. I don't know.
The Russian colonel is moving to the harbor. We cannot find the Americans. Be vigilant.
Harlow, take him down.
I got this one, Sarge.
Sweetwater, what do they say?
Something about a bay. I'm not sure. Sounds like Kirilenko's headed to a harbor.
What goddamn harbor? Where the hell are we?
Okay, I think I know where.
What the hell was that?
I don't know, but I don't like it.
¡Objetivo recuperado! ¡Maldita sea! ¡Acaba con él! ¡Hombre herido! ¡Mierda! ¡Mierda! ¡Creo que se fue aquí! ¿Dónde está el francotirador? You okay, friend?
What the? They're running off!
Yeah, you'd better run!
No! This is bad! This is not good!
You hear that?
Order! Take cover!
It's coming from the hill! Move, move, move!
nearby. These canals should lead us down there.
Snipers up top!
All right. Never long gonna get in there with all that coverage. We'll suppress them. You move up, we'll follow. ASAP. Now let's find a way through. Don't want to get caught out.
Through that bus! We can get through there!
What about that hole?
Get back!
Черт, что за дрянь? Давай, нужно там все смотреть! He's hit! Пошел!
Enemy, 25 meters!
Hold this side! Hold this side! Vehicle approaching!
Yeah, I see it. It's a truck.
What the hell is coming down? Get back!
There it is again. What the fuck is that
I
sound?
don't know, but I don't like it. Oh my god, is that finally some US backup? Hallelujah! plane we saw before?
Why are they getting on? Oh, wait. Why is the plane glowing? No. Get down!
Sweet. Am I dead?
No. I think they just test-fired the weapon. The scalar weapon must be on the plane.
I don't want to do this.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm kinda inclined to agree with Haggard.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Preston, we're out of our league. I think we ought to go.
Go? Go where? Home? There won't be a home! Won't be anything! Sweetwater! That's it? Guess you really weren't cut out for this special ops after all. Shit hits the fan, and you want out! Sarge, you're just gonna lay down? I see. Fine. I'll go my fucking self.
No, Preston, you won't. And you too. You listen to Marlowe and you listen good. Come on now. Sweets, this is interesting stuff, man. Don't you want to know how this ends?
You had me at interesting.
Hags, come on now. If you leave, no more T-bone steaks, man.
Yeah. No more buying AR-15 ammo at the mall.
No more shooting trespassers on your porch.
No more biscuits and gravy.
No more Super Bowl Sundays. No more Dallas Cowboys cheerleaders.
Shit. That's Tor. Get out of the way! I gotta save me some cheerleaders.
Quiet.
Yeah, all tech is dead. Look at all this scary shit.
You think Kirilenko's on that plane?
Maybe. We gotta stop it either way.
He's right over there! Keep hitting those shooters. Give me cover, Park!
Stop him!
Дергайся. Пусть подойдут поближе.
So how you doing? You look good.
That's real funny, Marlowe. If we don't die out here, I'm fixing on skinning you like a deer.
Hey, the plane's moving. Look at the size of that thing.
That's an AN-225. Mira means dream. It's an enlarged version of the AN-124. Biggest ever built, can carry 253 tons of equipment. What? I can know stuff.
Shouldn't the weapon have killed the plane too? Yeah. Seems like ground zero is safe with scalar weapons, but outside it...
Well, anyway, I don't think we can knock that thing down. So who wants to hijack a plane? Follow me. Come on. Go, go, go.
The plane's moving out.
Yeah, run for it. All that.
Away! Move!
Quick.
It was a long night. Waiting, planning. But that thing about always darkest before the dawn? Sometimes you just need to turn on a light.
Crap, it's on!
Fast. Take a shot. Take a shot.
Thank God. Weapons. Almost no ammo, though.
Me too.
God damn it. Shit, stay low. More guys.
You nailed it!
It'd take an act of God to get through that, or a lot of C4.
Yeah, probably ripped the plane apart to do it.
Do you remember the layout of the cockpit?
enough of this sneaky shit.
That's it. Move up. They're behind this door.
We're breaching and you're up point.
Once the smoke is in, you light them up.
Go, go, go! Let him up!
Push on, damn it. There's no place to hide here.
Fucking stop! Move! Move!
Keep that trigger down, Brad.
Watch your flank!
There it is! Lost it! Finally! Little... Holy shit! The fucking walls are coming apart!
Target's down. Where the hell is Kirilenko?
We're about 130 clicks outside of Texas, closing fast. Sarge, we are out of time.
Gentlemen, all the compound you have given me will shield us from the blast. Oh, and for that, I'm very grateful. Enjoy.
It's not entirely true we couldn't get into the weapons room, is it?
Well, no, but...
Ah, fuck it already. Retirement would have been born anyway.
You are too late. We are nearly at 0 point.
I don't think so. Do it.
What are you doing?
Get back, boys! Hey, it's showtime.
Marlo, you can do this. All right, let's get the hell out of this thing.
This fucking thing's going down! Come on! Where's Kirilenko?
Go, go, go.
When the moon goes down in the valley of time, talking about time. When the sun, yes, the sun refused to shine.
We're in Texas! Home, sweet home! Okay. I guess I had to visit sooner or later. Oh, man, what are we gonna do now? Sarge? You ain't saying much.
Oh, I think you gotta ask Marlo here. Thanks to him, I'm officially retired.
Yeah, hell of a job, Marlo.
Me? Oh, shucks, Sweets, what about you?
Oh, I don't know. It was cool, but, you know, this special ops shit, not my style.
Well, now we need to party, and I know an establishment you're gonna love. There's this girl called Chantel, and she can
Squad, Ted, hut.
Gentlemen,
Sir.
at ease.
You have the heartfelt thanks of the United States government. Now, I'm sorry as hell to say this, but I need you all to come with me.
But why, sir?
The Russians. They're invading.
Sir! No, they're not, sir. We just blew up that fucking ultimate weapon of theirs. Yes. Invasion canceled, sir.
Not here. They're coming in through Alaska.
Alaska?
There are times it sucks to be right.